Hello there, guys. This is the second video practical class data cleaning is well. We have discussed uh, the theoretical part. This is the practical part. This is a spreadsheet. It's data directly downloaded from PCN website. Here is the raw data. This is sheet two. As I said before, first thing to do um, for to start your data cleaning is to duplicate your data, copy the raw data into another sheet. There is how to do that. A sheet, name it as worksheet. So here I have worksheet 2. Already I have a worksheet before which I use data cleaning. Created this one and I name it worksheet 2. Second thing to do is to copy this data here. Said copy your raw data into another sheet. In this raw data into another sheet from here. Okay, to highlight all the data, copy uh, it to empty sheets that you have created. Have done that automatically. So after doing that, then move to the second step. To remove duplicate or irrelevant observation, I have explained all this before. The duplicate and irrelevant observation. So looking at your data, since you understand your data very well, you look at you find the unique identifier of data, that is the distinct value. Looking at this data, the distinct value here is the installation number and license number. I can use any of these to identify whether we have duplicate value or duplicate input in our data. I'm going to use the registration number. I'll highlight it to home and go straight to conditional formatting, duplicate values. Then here is duplicate values. It will going to highlight the cells that have duplicate values, light red fill, dark red text. Okay, down to worksheet, we have entry that is marked light red. Have anyone that is your duplicate value, the next thing to do is to duplicate it. So down to the end of our entry, we don't have any duplicate value here. We have a duplicate value is highlight that row and click it. Then going to as well delete the row. Since we don't have, and move on to the next thing is to remove irrelevant data. If you are going to do the data analysis, you are supposed to have a clear insight of your data. You are supposed to have a clear insight of your data to know which and types and which of the data you need from the data you have been given, have collected. So here we have for this particular analysis, I think I don't need details, details, and also this approve, of course, I will put in the column because I don't need it because this entire data is a list of licensed pharmacies. Uh, maintain a proper. So here we have year of license. Here I have the date. I have to put the month and date. How many and the date. I think we are good to go now. Move to the next step. So the next step is fix structural errors and format your data. We are going to fix structural errors. Structural errors here we are going to check where we have uh, maybe missing not missing values to check the format in which our data is. We want them to be capital letter. For example, here we have first name, second name, and third name. Take first name, second name, and third name to merge together, or they should be in caps all. So although I don't really need these names for my analysis, kind of maintain them for now so as to be able to use them to find. Now I'm going to add a column here and I'll in column this. Use that. Our own name has been better formula and as well drag it, click cell, copy this cell, and we paste them as values. Pasting them as values here because we like to get this this cells is this three column don't affect we have tried that. That is that. If you look, you see that I have formatted this data in first, second, and third name all in cap. So the same thing applicable to this. After this heading, then I'm going to look at the each category, that is each entry, and at the sex now, the is how much I want it to be. Look at it, you see that we have F for female, we have female completely spelled also for female. So I may wish to make it to be only F instead of female and completely spelled this F. Then I'll save it. So this is how we are going to do for all. Look at here, you see we have Nigeria, gender, which is not possible. Here are misspelled values. So you are going to come here to format those misspelled values. So you are going to do the only way you can correct this is to um, go to the back end of this data if you have access to, or you consult the database IT personnel to make sure you get this data correct.